Hello millionaires and future millionaires. In today's video, we are talking about 10 things you need to do before starting your own business. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. Develop a powerful message. What consumer problem are you solving that potential clients are willing to pay for? This is often known as the fee proposition. 2. Focus on the customer and completely apprehend the market. There are many examples of companies that do not have a great product/carrier or are not first to market but are very a success because they have mastered online advertising and marketing and sales. Research the demographics of your capacity consumer base and understand their shopping for conduct. Watch competitors, speak with comparable businesses, browse your competitors' websites, and understand what their clients are announcing about them on social media. 3. Start small and grow. If feasible, self-fund your commercial enterprise idea and then go for investment when you can create a growth tail. This would possibly reason you to interrupt up your product/provider, imparting into smaller portions so you can fund the early tiers and get some traction and enjoyment. 4. Understand your strengths, capabilities, and time available. When running an enterprise, recognize when you want to have interaction with an accountant, legal professional, coverage agent, advertising and marketing expert, internet web page designer, or other professional. This will start your control technique as a commercial enterprise owner. Constant Contact gives a selection of expert advertising and marketing offerings for folks that want professional assistance or need to jumpstart their online advertising and marketing efforts. 5. Surround yourself with advisors and mentors. Launching and growing an enterprise is tough, and more than half will fail within 5 years. No one character will have all of the know-how, revel in, or maybe attitude to handle every commercial enterprise scenario. Gain from others' talents and stories. 6. Get a mentor. If you're now not sure in which to discover a mentor, SCORE is an exceptional place to start. SCORE mentors are unfastened. Simply visit www.score.org to find a face-to-face mentor close to you or a mentor to touch via electronic mail or Skype. Also on this website are many free workshops, webinars, and templates all focused on supporting entrepreneurs efficiently start and grow an enterprise. You also can find mentors on websites like LinkedIn by attending a nearby small enterprise meetup or simply asking around. You might be amazed at people in your circles who can offer beneficial advice based totally on their reports. 7. Write a business plan. Starting a business is tough and risky. It's smooth to spend all your time and sources on it. Before you begin, discern what sort of commercial enterprise you may have. Will or not it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, organization, or LLC. Then prepare your plan. Having a written plan with your projected outcomes and personal dreams is a pleasant manner to stay on track. As an instance, your commercial enterprise can also make $20,000 profit. But in case you stay in a large metropolis, assist a circle of relatives and perhaps an elderly dad and mom, and are looking to store for youngsters' college and retirement, then most possibly $20,000 is not enough. Don't try to do the entirety right now either. Focusing on the important thing components of a business plan will position your thoughts in concrete phrases and help you perceive locations to change the commercial enterprise version wherein necessary. 8. Know your numbers. Have a good hold close at the numbers that inform you how your business is doing and what you could count on. These consist of your startup fees, income, projected profits, cash waft, and plenty more, relying on the character of your commercial enterprise and how you define achievement. You could be making many choices on the fly, and understanding the numbers the business economics will assist make certain you are making the right choices. Look for approaches to reduce charges wherein you may. Use cost-powerful equipment like email advertising and social media advertising to force cognizance, rather than pricier traditional advertising and marketing methods. 9. Understand there are not any entitlements. You will paint hard for all of your achievements. Being a small business proprietor is one of the hardest jobs around. In a current survey, 40% of small enterprise owners stated they don't take vacations and have their money tied up in their enterprise. 10. Have an ardor for what you're doing. Being a business founder can be very lonely, and there are not sufficient hours inside the day to accomplish the whole lot. From huge successes to huge letdowns, in case you're now not fueled by way of passion at every step of the way, your task turns into that tons tougher. Remember why you commenced your enterprise and let your passion power you constantly. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.